Day 1 making keycap you comment. Today CSGO. Comment the next game. Cleaning time. You. Sending. I like this color. Time to paint. And this is the final product. Comment the next game to make a keycap. Benito.